Hey there, sunshine lovers. You've been outside soaking up the rays, and whoops, a little more sizzle than you expected, right? Well, you're in the right place because today we're talking about how to get rid of sunburn fast. Let's dive in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Sunburn. That annoying red badge of a day well spent under the sun. Or a sign that your sunscreen application was more missed than hit. It's painful, itchy, and not so great for that summer selfie, huh? But why does it happen? Simply, the sun's rays are stronger than your skin's defenses. Remember that golden tan you were aiming for? That's your skin trying to protect itself. And a burn? That's the alarm bells ringing. So, what do you do when you're sporting the lobster look? Let's start with 3 quick steps: cool it, moisturize it, hydrate it. Let's go step by step. 1. Cool it. A cool shower or a cold compress. That's your first line of defense. This cools the skin and helps soothe the burn, kind of like turning down the heat on a stove when your food starts to burn. 2. Moisturize it. Generously apply a moisturizer containing aloe vera or soy. According to a 2008 study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology, aloe vera has wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties that help to soothe the skin. Your skin's thirsty, give it a drink. 3. Hydrate it. You need to drink extra water. Sunburn draws fluid to the skin's surface and can cause dehydration. Imagine your body as a well. When there's a fire, your sunburn, it pulls water from the well, and you gotta replenish it. Still here with me? Cool. Let's jump to the fun part, those DIY remedies you can whip up at home. 1. Cold milk compress. Sounds weird, right? But it works. A protein in milk will help soothe the skin. Just soak a soft cloth in a bowl of chilled milk and apply it to the affected area. 2. Oatmeal. Not just for breakfast anymore. Research published by the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology in 2015 suggested that oatmeal's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help sunburn. Just grind it up, add some water, make a paste, and apply it to the tender spots. 3. Green tea bags. Green tea's got antioxidants that help heal sunburn. A 2007 study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology showed this. Just chill a few used tea bags and gently press them on the sunburn. Remember, sunburn can get serious. If it's severe or you feel unwell, reach out to a healthcare professional. There's no shame in getting help. And that's a wrap. Let's make that sunburn a thing of the past. Before you scamper off to try these tips, do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button, share this video with your fellow sun lovers, and drop a comment below. Let's make sunburn-free summer a reality. Until next time, stay safe in the sun, folks.